Hi, let's take a look at this forces and motion simulation. There's a couple things I do, and maybe you have better ways to do it, but I just end up doing it the way I know how, like we sort of all do. So let's look at no friction first. We want to make sure that we click up here on ice, no friction. And then it says I'm on small crate, so if you weren't on small crate, you would want to select that, and that's what the picture shows, and here's the little person. Um, Pulling the applied force to the right and letting it go. Sometimes this works better for me than others, but let's give it a try. So there we go. I didn't put a whole lot of force on it. I just gave it a quick push, and now I'm going to look and see what happens, and I'm going to describe it in the box on the right-hand side. Um, so I'm going to go ahead and stop this by using this. Well, I'll wait till it's done. Okay, there we go. I am going to stop it. Now what I do to get back, because it seems like, here's what I was trying to do when I originally did this. I was trying to get it back to -6, and I was having a hard time. So what I did now is I go reset all, yes, but I have to go back up and make it ice. It's just the fastest way I've found to do it. Number 2 says, okay, we're going to go to the original position, which is right here, and we're going to type 50 into here. Someone said they were having a little bit of trouble with this, and I'm just not really sure. They said it kept going back to 0. Um, I type in 50 here, and then I click this play button down here, and it shows a continuous applied force of 50 newtons. So once again, I'm going to describe what happens on the right-hand side. Now I'm going to go back to the original position. I do it this way. If you have a better way, feel free to do it. Use the pull down menu near the bottom of the screen to replace the crate with a refrigerator. That's down here. And mine is off your screen, but one selection is the refrigerator. It has twice the mass of the crate. So we're going to go back to 50 newtons. I'm going to type in 50 here. And now I'm going to say what happens to the refrigerator with 50 newtons of force. How did I predict it was going to be different? It's slower, but it's still moving, isn't it? Because we're on ice. So that's sort of the general how to use this system, and I hope that works for you. Someone said they were typing an applied force in and it kept going back to 0, and I'm just not really sure what that is. You want to make sure on the upper tab, which unfortunately I did not include in my screen, it says introduction. Perhaps that's part of it, but I think that's it. Good luck.